When you're tackling difficult jobs, there are plenty of specialty machines that can make even the most onerous tasks a piece of cake. These 10 machines that will blow your mind are at the top of their game and are well worth looking into. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. XL Blade Mate. Hauling large, awkward objects can be a tricky endeavor, but the XL Blade Mate trailer is specially designed to carry wind turbine blades. The flip extension add-on makes this setup even more impressive and hooks up to the standard XL Blade Mate trailer to allow for the hauling of extra long wind turbine blades. This saves a lot of money that would usually be spent on a second trailer, really kicking the XL Blade Mate into high gear. Wind turbines are constantly being improved, leading to larger turbines with longer blades. You can also carry more than just wind turbines on the Blade Mate, but that's technically what it's been designed to carry. Flipping the extension is as easy as turning on the motor and letting the motor do its thing. The 6-inch hydraulic cylinders flip the extension down in just a few minutes. Additionally, the rear bolster allows for loads up to 20,000 pounds, making it a suitable rear loading platform for the common 2-point load center. The whole setup is quite unique, and the flip extension gives your trailer an extra 211 feet of space to work with. Motion Sim. Motion flight simulators were once something that only dedicated trainer centers could afford, but that's a thing of the past with the Motion Sim Car Simulator. It's an extended car simulator with 4 moving legs, as opposed to the older 3-leg models. The 3 27-inch 2D LED displays offer a panoramic view of the simulated road. The Motion Sim also includes a professional racing seat with a full assortment of safety belts and a pro racing steering wheel to boot. There are 3 pedals to work with as well. There's an accelerator pedal, the brake pedal, and clutch, along with a manual sequential gear shifter or H-pattern gear shifter and handbrake. This simulator stands out because it actually simulates the feeling of being inside a car or aircraft, complete with simulating real-world G-forces. It combines data that covers car position, speed, and G-force from a game, and moves the cockpit based on these inputs. You can even feel vibrations from terrain or tarmac and G-forces felt during acceleration, cornering, or braking, providing up to 2 Gs of force when necessary. A cool bonus is the additional rear truck seat with air suspension as well as a heating and cooling system to allow for truck driving sims. The car, flight, and truck simulators are all VR ready, which is a pretty neat addition. Adaviligno, a superb mechanical system designed to allow for easy delimbing of trees, the Adaviligno Patis is at the top of its field. Most previous setups required for trees in excess of 5 meters in height were unnecessarily complex and involved a lot of strenuous labor to operate. The Adaviligno, however, is all about providing higher efficiency with minimal effort. It works automatically for the most part, delimbing trees easily before they've even been felled. The machine works perfectly with a wide variety of tree species, allowing for a range of 12 to 15 meters. This enables workers to tackle the delimbing of between 40 to 60 trees per hour, which is much more efficient than older machines, which only allowed workers to delimb between 4 to 6 trees. As you can see, it's a big step up, making the Adaviligno Patis a cut above the rest. The system can also be used as a small-sized harvester, which is a solid time and money-saving bonus. Boom Mower MA900. The Ventrac boom mower is one of the best boom mowers available on the market today. It can be fitted with a variety of accessories to add extra capability to the standard mower. It has a 142-inch vertical reach with a max flat top cut capability of 82 inches off the ground. The vertical head angle has a 90-degree vertical range and a 125-degree total range, along with a 115-inch horizontal reach and a double-action sickle bar with a 39-inch cut width. This mower can handle inclines up to 10 inches with single wheels or 18 inches with double wheels attached. This all allows operators to mow steep ditches and reach under fences and guardrails with minimal fuss. The machine can cut vegetation around ponds, lakes, and streams without issue, and is perfect for cutting hedges or shrubs with ease. The controls are extremely simple, and operators can get the hang of them quickly, even if they've never used the MA900 boom mower before. G-Max Snow Thrower. More than a snow shoveling machine, the G-Max Snow Thrower is an impressive machine to say the least. It provides 40 volts with a clearing width of 20 inches and a clearing depth of 8 inches. The discharge chute can be adjusted up to 180 degrees, which is super handy, and the built-in LED lights help to illuminate your path even in pitch black conditions. The snow thrower launches snow up to 20 feet away from the path you're clearing, and the 6-inch rear wheels are a breeze to maneuver. This system is the best of the best when it comes to everyday snow clearance and can even be utilized on larger jobs without breaking a sweat. Most operators find that they can quickly clear both their driveway and sidewalk in less than half an hour, making what was once a difficult job an absolute breeze. Alto's TRX. The Alto's TRX mower is another amazing mowing machine. It's ridiculously comfortable to operate thanks to the 12-way adjustable high back seat. You can easily adjust its tilt and lumbar support to suit your needs, with the seat also allowing you to input driver weight to make it as efficient as possible for riders of all sizes. The onboard Smart Track monitoring system has low oil pressure and overheating alerts, as well as a tachometer and resettable hour meter. Twin fuel tanks provide a 14-gallon capacity, which means it can be used for extended periods of time. The heavy-duty track system makes operating the mower easy, even on difficult or uneven terrain, which is a step up from most traditional mowers designed for the same types of jobs. Bumps are also totally smoothed out thanks to the ingenious suspension system, which provides a smooth ride no matter what terrain you're rolling over. This mower can move at a rate of 8 to 10 miles per hour, which is quite impressive, and has an 11-inch wide rear track to provide traction on slippery or uneven surfaces. Fractum Breaker. Fractum's industrial rock breakers are the best at what they do, offering safe, efficient, and cost-effective solutions for the breaking of rocks, recycling of steel slag and molds, or the crushing of heavily reinforced concrete. These impact breakers alleviate the need for secondary blasting, which saves a lot of time and makes the entire operation a much safer experience. Easy to use, the Fractum breakers work by releasing a hammerhead hoisted to a desired level, which then crashes down on the rock you need to break, releasing a large amount of kinetic energy. This is enough to break even the densest materials. There are 2 types of breakers available for purchase, along with 4 distinct models, each excelling at breaking specific materials. Their most impressive breakers use variable energy levels instead of being set to one standard level, which can be determined manually by the operator. One of the coolest features is the fact that the breakers can be adjusted to a slight angle, while most breakers can only be used vertically. The maximum recommended angle is 30 degrees and can go even further, albeit with decreased efficiency. Wing Lift Container Carrier. Shipping containers aren't the easiest objects to move from A to B, but the Wing Lift Container Carrier system aims to streamline the process, making it much easier and safer. While it's technically only meant for moving containers short distances, it can tackle long-range hauls with minimal fuss and allows anyone to do so without the need for specialist equipment like cranes or trucks. It can be fitted to air, road, rail, or sea containers and is pretty universal for the most part. The wing lift units are ready to use upon delivery and require no additional assembly or installation before putting them to work. Exact Light Tracks. The Agrifac Exact Light Tracks Sugar Beet Harvester is a compact, light, and maneuverable machine that's been designed with ergonomics in mind. It also features economic engine management and displays all functions at a glance with its 12-inch touchscreen. The operating parameters can be adjusted on the fly, increasing efficiency based on the task at hand, with common functions being controlled with the easy-to-use joystick setup. The speeds of the machine functions can even be set independently from the engine speed, with high efficiency at a low engine speed, resulting in the best possible fuel efficiency. There are also lots of key accessories, like an integral defoliator or a defoliator with a side leaf spreader, able to keep working in all weather and terrain conditions. The Exact Light Trax harvester even provides exceptional views in all directions from the cockpit and is super comfortable, which helps make long days at work fly by in the blink of an eye. Eximus 4. The world's most energy-efficient vehicle, the Eximus 4 more than lives up to its impressive title. It was developed by students competing in the Delsbo Electric Contest in Sweden, which challenges participants to create unique, energy-efficient vehicles. The Eximus 4 blew the competition out of the water by offering an electric equivalent of 687 mpge. It operates on rails to minimize resistance and can carry 6 passengers with no problem at all. To help put its efficiency in perspective, the Eximus 4 can run for 75 kilometers with the same amount of energy found in a single teaspoon of gasoline. Aerodynamic and lightweight, this concept vehicle will undoubtedly have many positive applications in the future, being called a game changer for rail travel. And that's the 10 machines that will blow your mind. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and let us know in the comments what you think. Check out our other videos and subscribe to be part of the fun. Click on the notification icon so you can see our new videos as soon as they're uploaded. That's it for now.